the album Golden Days by Mama's Gun on Spotify?
Sure, playing the album Golden Days on Spotify.
Good morning. It is currently 9:02. I'm getting ready for a nice Saturday. I don't have too much planned today, to be honest. I'm gonna go down to the shops, get some stuff I need, some like beauty things, fun things like that. And then later on this afternoon, we're meeting up with a friend and we're gonna help him build some IKEA furniture because I stupidly said that I love building IKEA furniture, and look where that's got me. So yes, but I'm just getting ready just now. It's still very early, but I want to just get to the shops first thing, get it done over with, because I know on Saturdays, or sorry, on Sundays, nothing is open. So yes, but I thought we'd just have a little microphone and just say hi. It's my first vlog I've ever done. Actually, that's a lie. It's my first vlog I'm gonna do in post. I've filmed vlogs before. I've filmed other things like that over the years, but I haven't had the balls to just post it. But I see all the girlies online just doing it, and it's just like showing what we do in our normal lives, and I'm like, why am I stopping myself from sharing like what I do? I love watching videos from like years ago of like me and my friends and my family, so why would I not just catalog it in a fun way? So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I actually do it, but that's why I kind of limited myself to filming like a weekend vlog, and then we can see how it goes. But yeah, otherwise, feeling good today. I've had a migraine the past few weeks. That has gone. I have a little bit of a sore head today, but I did drink half a bottle of wine last night. So yeah, could have been that. But otherwise, yes, feeling good. Listening to my favourite band, who I'm going to see in less than a month, which is like crazy. I'm so excited to go and see them. But yeah, so let's just get ready. I'm gonna pack my bag, write my shopping list, and then we can just go. And hopefully the sun comes out today because otherwise it's gonna be a bit boring. So yes, enjoy this vlog, whatever it might become, and hopefully this is the first of many. So yes, enjoy. Can I get a peach iced tea, please? Takeaway, please. Is it medium size you want? Yeah, the medium, please. So, fun fact, I actually used to work in Dunelm back in like 2021, I think it was, and I absolutely hated it. Absolutely hated it. Loved the shop, hated working here, but I still come and shop here all the time. Hello, Goober!
Maybe his mother who had him exercised. Now that he can't get one, he's taking his anger out on his surrogate.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. If I sound a little bit strange today, it's because I have got a horrific wisdom teeth pain. The left side of my face has completely swollen, but it really, really hurts. So drinking, eating, talking is not fun. Otherwise, my plans for today are to take some pain relief for my sore mouth, and then I'm gonna tidy my apartment. I'm just gonna clean my flat, have a nice shower, and kind of just take things a little bit slow today because I am feeling quite sore and a bit sorry for myself, I'm not gonna lie. So otherwise, a nice chilled out Sunday, just getting ready for start of the new work week and enjoying this mediocre coffee.